Hello, today I'm in Volkswagen Beetle. In this video I'll show you how to use cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side behind the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. To use cruise control, you have to twist the button located on the top of the lever to on. Now, accelerate to desired speed, let the acceleration pedal go and press the Res plus button or Set button to start cruise control. Now when the car is driving itself, you can increase the speed by pressing Res plus button or decrease by pressing Set minus button. If you want to pause the cruise control, simply twist slightly the panel located on the top of the lever to cancel. To turn cruise control off, switch it to off position. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.